Well, hello there. Pleased to make your acquaintance. I'm Fast Track. I am the best mamma jamma who ever stood in front of a camera. How you doing? You doing alright? You doing good watching your laptop or your tablet or your phone or your smart TV or any other of your doodads, gizmos, and gadgets that you're watching me on? Doing alright? Great. Let's get to what I'm reacting to. Today I'll be reacting to Birds of a Feather, Episode 2, Broken, by Miss Ice Gaze. Now, if you saw the first episode, then you would know it takes place around the treasure of Griffinstone. However, there is also a flashback, so it's a story within a story, while Rainbow Dash is hanging on that ledge, probably for dear life, and it took way too long, and I'm wondering, so is she dead or what? But no, Pinkie Pie just listening to Gilda reminisce about the first time she met Rainbow Dash at flight camp, or school, and how they used to be bunk buddies, and how they were friends with a hippie, and something about a rock and roll charity, and yeah, they both have dreams. Rainbow Dash wants to be a wonderful. Gilda, well, Gilda doesn't know yet. I feel for her. Just wait until college. It'll be even more confusing. Ah! Ugh. So, yeah, it's just a prequel to the friendship of Rainbow Dash and Gilda. And, yeah, it looks pretty interesting. Wait, give me a second. What do you think, Rocky? You like it? Okay, Rocky, you wanna watch it with me? I'm gonna take it as a yes. Okay, Rocky, you stay right here. So, we're gonna watch Birds of a Feather Episode 2. And, see what happens. Oh, wait. We can't do this without the drinking game. Rocky, you stay right here and you entertain these nice people while I get the drinks. There you go. Entertain! Okay, there we go. Okay, what are you doing? Okay, Rocky, you stay right there. So, you know the rules. Anytime there is a mention of a canon MOP episode, anytime there is a nod to the Brony fandom, anytime there is a cameo in here, like a Brony that I know, or anytime we have the start of a song, I take a sip of Mott's apple juice. This video is not sponsored. I just like this. So, are we good to go? You ready, Rocky? Let's begin. Oh, and Rocco, I'm sorry to tell you this, but there's a really big chance that the video we're about to watch is about to cover your face. Sorry for that. Alright, people, let's get started. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Yeah, Rocky, what happened to your face? Birds of a Feather. The memories.
I can laugh, I can
song.
I say what's on my mind. I can stare through the smoke.
There's Gilda, the Fanfic Pony, Lily Song, Cinnamon Roly Poly, Oreo, Cat Cloud, something something. I didn't catch that.
'Cause I'm not just an attitude. I'm more than just the tail end. I'm a daughter and a best friend.
Ellie Park,
Sometimes
The Life on Cloud 09. Ah, Gilda, Ice Storm, Char Pony VA. Oh, don't eat that. Aww.
Some days I'm screwed.
Hey, watch your language. Ice Gaze. Oh, so she's an actor as well as a director. So she's one of those people.
It's not very clear that I've been through a lot. I can laugh, I can joke, I say what's on my mind. I can
Aww,
through the
they're all
storm
friends.
and keep my head held high.
Right.
And you see me showing off all my ugliness to the world. I'm not a pure
She stole an apple.
girls,
Off with her head.
'cause I'm not just an attitude.
Okay, let's get right back to the story.
Well, this looks like the place.
Pretty.
Can some pony move those planks over there, please?
Oh look,
Some of the mics
it's off-color
You
Wilsonator.
might want to check those out. Let's see what else is on the checklist. Yes. Okay, Yelnaz, you on stage left, and Jorge on stage right. No, Jorge, stage right.
What kind of name is Jorge?
Excuse me.
Oh, sorry. I've just never seen anything like you before.
That's racist.
Anyway, what you need? We're on a very tight schedule here.
Do you happen to know where Nana Charity Valentine is?
Ah yes, Charity Valentine.
Great job, every pony.
Oh, there she is.
Have a great show.
Miss
And her
Valentine,
accent.
You've got yourself a visitor in your dressing room.
Before the show?
Trust me. This one, you'll want to see.
Oh, well.
Excuse
alright.
me. That's kind of racist. Get tickets
Hello,
now.
dearie. Is there something I can help you with? It's
Is that a mermaid costume?
Gilda. Oh, Gilda. I remember you, Schnookums.
Schnookums.
So, say,
I'm sorry.
whatever happened to that little Lily Summer Breeze? She ran off to follow the rhythm of life. Ah, I see.
Far out, dude.
Advice? Oh, sure. When she was a young filly,
The rhythm of life is very bright,
she
if you know what I
told me
mean.
She hadn't had the slightest idea, and I told her that whatever she decides to do, to make sure that she was happy. Funny. That's
Aw.
what she told me when I was 9. Oh, a young note in the making. Now, is there something you need, Schnookums?
Schnookums.
Yes, actually. I came here for some advice, too. You do? What about? Ever since I left camp, I've been feeling so empty. I've lost 2 friends. I don't know what to do.
Aw.
Oh, darling, I'm so sorry for your losses. But anyway, whenever I'm feeling low, I follow my heart to wherever it takes me, or if I feel safe and at home.
5 minutes, Miss Valentine.
Thanks, Stage Light. 5 minutes?
Stage
So
light.
what?
Okay.
Haven't you heard? I'm playing Eliza Schuyler in the brand new Brideway musical, Trottington. But what about all
Right
the
away.
charity events?
Trottington.
Honey, I retired.
You know what, I'll drink to that.
Being a pony pop star 5
I like
years
pony
ago.
puns.
My cousin does all the charity events now. Rah-rah? Yup. Except
Rah rah.
go by Rah-rah. Something big and fancy. She suggested the name.
Oh, you leaving, Rocky?
Softy,
Okay,
but
fine.
The music ponies denied it. And since I'm not doing charity events anymore, I guess that just makes me Nana Valentine now. Well, you're still really good at giving. Thank you, dearie.
Places.
Thank you, Stage Light.
Not now, stage light.
Good luck with your show. Thanks, darling.
Ah,
I hope I could help.
Just out the window, I guess.
And Gilda. Yeah? Say hi to Rainbow for me. Rainbow?
Aw. Rainbow Dash. One of the elements of harmony.
Rainbow Dash? How did she know I was going to see Rainbow Dash? I mean, how can I even bring myself to see Rainbow Dash? She betrayed me with that newbie at flight camp. Why should I consider her my friend?
Oh, come on now. What the what?
My head. Hey, are you okay? I'm so sorry. I didn't
Is that another griffin?
Yeah, I'm okay. How about you?
She looks like a
Taken
duck.
just about as far as I did. I'm fine. Oh, that's so good to hear. I was so worried that I had ruined my only chance of making a friend. Wait.
What the what
you
now?
questioned to me on purpose? Yep. Why would you do that?
That's
So I can get to know you better and we can become GFFs. Griffin friends forever.
that's not exactly how meeting and greeting
I'm
works,
so sorry.
but
How rude of me. My name is Alexandra Clawheart, but you can call me Allie. You know, now that we're friends.
Well, this escalated quickly.
Oh, please, I've never had a friend before. Never? Never. Well, I mean...
Yeesh, I've seen more time taken on a Tinder date.
Kind of a forced friend. But I've always dreamt of having a real one. Someone
Them
to chat
eyes.
with, someone to talk to, someone to listen. If I had a friend,
She's about to sing, isn't she?
I would have someone to talk to, always have something to do, from now until the end.
Wizard of Oz reference.
I would not feel like a failure living in an old car trailer if I only had a friend.
What?
I would no longer be lonely, just feeling like a phony and not fitting the trend. All the stories I would tell them, from the bow down to the helm, if I only had a friend.
This is what we're doing, people.
Oh, I could tell you why the ocean's near the shore. I could tell you things I've never told before, and then I'd sit and tell you more. I would not be just a nothing, my head all full of muffins, my heart waits for content.
I like muffins.
I would dance and be merry, life would be a ding-a-dairy if I only had a friend. So will you be my friend? Sure. Yay!
Well, that escalated quickly, but yeah!
So, what's your name? I'm Gilda. Nice to
Cool.
meet you, Gilda. Not Filda. Gilda. Hilda? Gilda. Okay, you know what? Just call me whatever you'd like. So,
I'll call you Nancy.
Alexandra. Allie. Allie.
Allie and Nancy.
So, as friends, what are we supposed to do? I don't know. What were you doing before you crashed into me?
Nancy was looking for Rainbow
I was trying to
Dash.
see Rainbow Dash. Rainbow Dash?
There you go.
Is she a friend of yours? I guess you could say that. Well then come on. We don't want to keep your friend waiting. Oh, I'm not sure if
This
it would
just
be a good idea
came out of
for me to come
nowhere.
along. You see, Rainbow Dash and I have been separated for a while, and I kind of want to make things better between us before introducing you to her. Oh, that's so true! It would be a bit rude to just suddenly dump something like that on an old friend. It's okay, Rilda. I'll just get a room in a Ponyville Inn.
Gilda.
Sure about that?
Rilda.
Of course! It's no big
What's next,
deal, I
Matilda?
promise. You go have fun with your friend. I'll be completely
If she
fine
says
on my own.
Matilda, I'll
Thanks,
take a sip.
Allie. I'll meet up with you sometime.
Please say Matilda. That would be funny. Rainbow Dash's place.
Gilda? Oh my gosh, I haven't seen you in years.
Hey,
Where
Dashi.
have you been? What should I tell her? I don't want her to know I've been depressed all these years. No, this is my chance to start over. Gotta show Dash how cool I am. Oops, you know, around. Awesome! Hey, check out what I got. I got this baby while doing the legendary Sonic Rainboom.
Ah,
So,
got a
if I
cutie
can
mark.
Pulled it off. It's about time. Hey, why don't you come inside? We have a lot of catching up to do. Tell me about it.
tell her that you've had a new friend. You literally crashed into each other.
Okay, you checked into your new room, you bought some adorable necessities at the shops, and you made a new friend. Allie Clawheart, you are doing great. Cupcake!
Good for you, Al.
Free sample cupcake!
Pinky! And cupcakes.
I've never tried a Ponyville cupcake.
And she's nomming on them.
Plus,
Nom
I
nom
haven't
nom.
eaten in a while. This is perfect! Things are just working out so well for me today. Cupcakes!
She is very optimistic.
I'll try one.
Oh wow, I've never seen you around here before. In fact, I haven't seen anything like you before. But you must have a good sense of taste if you want my cupcakes.
I'm sure they're delicious.
Wait, Pinkie Pie? Cupcakes? If they're rainbow colored, do not eat them.
You did there.
Well, they're getting along quite swimmingly.
This town is so much fun. Everyone is so nice.
Well, mostly every pony, except that stallion over there. Trust me, he may seem innocent and nice,
Big
but
Mac?
I swear he's hiding something.
Oh my.
Anyway,
Big
I
Mac?
come to Sugarcube Corn with me, and I could get you a cupcake. One
What's wrong with Big Mac?
this time.
He's
I
big.
want to.
He says, yup.
This
He's
thing
strong.
keeps getting better and better.
He gets all the ladies. You know it's true.
And then The cupcake exploded confetti in my face. It was hilarious.
I think they're getting along quite well.
She took me inside the bakery and gave me a new cupcake that didn't explode. Then she taught me how to bake a cake.
Cupcakes that don't
She made
explode.
jokes, and today was just so amazing. No wonder your friend lives here. It's so much fun. Uh-huh.
Yes.
So, how was your first day in Ponyville?
Oh, you know, pretty good. Rainbow Dash and I flew a few laps like we did back in the days we attended flight camp.
So, do you think I can meet this Rainbow Dash?
Oh, not yet. You see, I still need some more bonding time with her before I can introduce you.
Oh, that's alright. I understand. Take as much time as you need.
Thanks, Allie. I'll see you tomorrow.
You too!
No, you're supposed to think of her name.
Huh?
Oh, the check. You left her with the check. That's just terrible. Well, this looks familiar.
Rise and shine, Rainbow Dash! It's a brand new day and we've got a lot of praying to. Ooh.
Hey, Pinks!
They're reenacting the entire scene.
Gilda, this is my gal pal, Pinkie Pie.
Gal pal? Wait, Rainbow has a new gal pal? How could she do this to me?
My waifu has a new girlfriend.
Pegasus and flight camp. Now then.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Let's be honest, you were thinking that too.
You can do this, Gilda. Just be cool. Hey, what's up?
Pinkie, this is
Sup?
my griffin friend, Gilda.
Griffin?
She's half eagle and half lion.
Oh, so that's what that was.
That's what was?
Oh, nothing. I met a griffin yesterday. In fact, she talked a lot about you, Gilda. Me? I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, come on. She's gray and has an orange head and looks exactly like that.
Oh.
Looks like what?
That griffin in the bushes?
I don't see anything, Pinkie.
Anyway, we should probably get going, Dash.
Okay, then.
After all, you promised me a morning flying session just like back at flight camp.
Oh, right. Sorry, Pinkie. You don't mind, do you? Gilda just got here. We'll catch up with you later.
What happened with that griffin in the bushes? I need to know more about that.
I'll just catch up with you guys later.
Okay, so Rainbow Dash and Gilda.
Don't you just hate it when your best friend ditches you for something else?
Tell me about it.
Huh. Oh, so they're both the ditcheries. Well, I hear a guitar solo. That must mean we're going to see some extreme flyings. Never mind.
Sweet. Just like old times, eh, Rainbow?
That was awesome.
That's way faster.
Bro Huff.
So, what do you want to do now?
Well, there was someone I was... Hey there!
Who?
It's later. And I caught up.
Hello, Pinkie.
Are you serious?
Oh, there you are, Rocky.
Rainbow seeing this pony. Hey, Dash. Think you could beat me to that cloud?
You're on.
Come here, boy. Okay, we got enough guitar solos.
No one's faster than me.
Are you kidding?
Pinky balloons.
My hooves were down before your claws.
Go get your eyes checked. It was clearly me. Wow, that was really close.
I just love this thing. I'm gonna take a drink to it too.
Beat you by a teeny weeny little hair or a teeny weeny little feather.
Good thing Pinkie Pie was here to keep you honest.
Well, Gilda has both.
This
You know,
pony's making me look bad in
eagle,
front of Dash.
lion,
At this
feather,
rate,
hair.
I'll never be able to clear things up with her. I gotta do something. And fast. Hey, Dash. Last one up to that cloud is a gnarly dragon egg. Go!
And it didn't happen.
I think the high altitude is making you dizzy.
Uh-oh.
Wow. What did I just do? That's so
That's the
great.
price of being cool.
Am I jealous?
It's not worth it.
No. I can't be
You
that.
peanut butter and
I just have to get
jealous.
my friend back. That's all.
He's a good boy.
Feeling a little slow today.
Yeah, well... Oh, wow! You guys almost got away from me that time. Dang it, this one just wanted to quit. Hey, Dash, think you can show me some new moves? Or are you still old school?
Old school?
I'm sorry, what's wrong with old school? Without old school, we wouldn't have a new school.
Come here. Don't you know how to take get lost for an answer? Dash doesn't need to hang with a dweeb like you now that I'm around. I'm not gonna let you steal her away from me. You're dorking up the sky, stinky pie. So make like a bee and buzz off!
Puns. Only they hurt you.
What am I doing?
She's regretting it on the inside. Okay, now they're flying. Sort of.
That was sweet. Yeah. Hey, I gotta take care of a few weather jobs around here. Shouldn't take long. Just hang around town and I'll come find you.
Excuse me while I go screw with Mother Nature.
I'm gonna go chow down. Later. Allie said this
Derps!
fun.
And, oh gosh. I don't know those people, but...
Might as well try to fit in.
Have a... You know, I'll take a drink to that and... Ooh, Granny Smith.
Everybody, forsake yourselves! Dang it, that did not go as planned. Quick!
Brony Cooper! Gosh darn it!
This stuff ain't fresh, dude.
This is the part with all the cameos, isn't it?
Dang, I'm getting really hungry, but I don't have any bits on me at the moment. Maybe I could just sneak one fruit or so and pay them back later? Yeah, that's what I'll do.
Who's gonna steal it?
All right, little ones.
There's Fluttershy!
Wait.
I'll drink to that scene.
You're free and clear.
I wonder what
At least we're done with all the cameos.
And I did promise Allie I'd see her again today. Maybe I can fit her in when... Hey, I'm walking here. Seriously, Gilda?
Hey, I'm walking here!
Time today. Try to be nice with this one.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was just trying to.
I'm sorry. Why don't you just watch where you're going, doofus? Gilda, stop.
But I.
And she made Fluttershy cry. And the fandom went crazy. And that's when we sentenced her to death.
How could I do that? This town is getting to me. All the pressure. I need help. Please. All these lame ponies are driving me buggy. I gotta bail.
Yeah, she talks like a mean 90s character bully. At least on the outside.
Tilda!
Did she say or Matilda? Because I was gonna drink to Matilda.
It's so good to see you
She
again.
said Tilda.
Why?
Okay.
We just saw each other yesterday.
I know. Anyway, where should we go to eat for lunch today? Should we go back to the Hay Cafe, or we could go to the Hay Burger?
Actually,
The Hay Burger.
here.
Absolutely. I can cook us up something.
Best cook.
Is a salad okay?
Oh, yeah. Sure.
Oh, come on, you're part lion. Eat some meat.
Can I tell you something?
Well, of course. You can tell me anything.
My visit with Rainbow Dash
He was a good boy.
isn't going as well as I planned.
What do you mean?
It was going great until all these ponies started getting in my way. I mean, I get that they live here.
She has a temper?
There's so much pressure. And Rainbow's pony friend, Pinkie Pie,
Trying
really
too hard to be
doesn't
cool.
whenever I'm trying to talk to Dashie.
Pinkie Pie?
Dashy.
Yeah, a pink pony. Maybe you've heard of her?
Oh, Pelzy,
Oh, yeah.
I'm so sorry. I didn't know you had
She's
a
heard
problem
of her.
with her. She was just so nice.
That's not the problem. I just want my old friend back.
Oh no.
I don't want another friend to be stolen away from me.
I'm not gonna cry.
Well, don't worry, Gilda. I'm sure you'll get your chance to talk to your friend. If you want, maybe I could help you with...
No! I need to do this myself. I've waited years to meet up with Rainbow, and I'm not going to let these town ponies get in my
Gilda,
way.
you can't do it alone. There's like several episodes in the series that tell you don't do stuff alone.
I never meant to get you swept up in this mess with me. And I feel even worse that I'm just keeping you hidden away in here.
Are you
Aw.
kidding? Look around. I've gotten so much done with my time.
She is so optimistic.
Your
It's
apartment's
contagious.
really nice.
And look at these. Aren't they just adorable?
What is that?
Do I'm acting stupid about all of this? No! Boo! You came all the way to this town just to see your friend again.
Boo!
That's not stupid. That's amazing. In fact,
wait, are they...
you're the bravest griffin I've ever met.
You know...
And then I see to myself, I'm the bravest individual.
Flashback and song, I guess.
Gilda? I have to go.
Vilda.
Okay.
Bam. So wait, are they getting shipped?
My salad.
Oh. You thought she wanted your salad. Giggity.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm a terrible person.
Round and round, and then you pin the tail on the pony.
And it's this scene.
Walk straight and pin the tail.
Go straight, she said. She's trying to make me look bad in front of Dash. I need to keep my cool so I can talk to her after. Now just walk straight and pin the tail. Yeah, right. This is another prank, isn't it? I'm going this way.
Wait, Gilda! The poster's this way.
Not the cupcake. Oh dear. You look like you have a mustache. A purple mustache. Uh-oh.
This is your idea of a good time? I've never met a lamer bunch of dweebs in all my life. And Pinkie Pie, you are Queen Lame-o with all your weak party pranks. Did you really
don't
think
insult
you could
Best
make me
Pony.
lose my cool? Well, Dash and I have 10 times more cool than all of you put together. Come on, Dash. We're bailing this pathetic scene. I said, let's go, Dash. Gilda, I was the one that set up all those pranks.
You blew it.
What? Oh no. So I guess that makes me Queen Lame-o. Come on, Dash, you're joshing me. They weren't all meant for you. It was just dumb luck that you set them all off.
I should have known. That dribble cup had Rainbow Dash written all over it.
No way! It was Pinkie Pie. She threw this party to trip me up and make a fool out of me.
Huh? I threw this party to improve your attitude. I thought a party might turn that frown upside down.
And you sure didn't need any help making a fool out of yourself. You know, this is not how I thought my old friends would treat my new friends. If being cool is all you care about,
I'm not gonna cry.
you should go find new, cool friends someplace else. Yeah? Well...
I'm not gonna cry.
You're such a flip-flop. Cool one minute and lame the next. When you decide not to be lame anymore...
I'm not gonna cry. Rocky, hold me.
Not cool.
Wow. Talk about a party pooper.
Okay. I know, it's so sad. Oh no. That's how it's ending? No! Oh! Ah! Oh, God! Rocky, no! Ah! Ice Case, how could you? Song. So, Gilda tries to mend fences with Rainbow Dash. We got a subplot with a new character, Allie Clawheart, who keeps calling her the wrong names, and a cameo with Charity Valentine, Nana Charity Valentine. That's what it says. She was trying to make up for lost time with Rainbow Dash, but her coolness and ego was overshadowing how she was really feeling, because she's afraid to show real emotion, otherwise she would get hurt once again. And it really makes me feel for Gilda. Oh no. And she blew it. She blew it! I'm not gonna cry. You can't make me cry, Ice Gaze. The only person who has ever made me cry was Kenzie VA and no one else. Anyway. But yeah, I just like how we're getting this new perspective on Gilda and how it ties in with her first canon appearance in the show. And the new character, Allie, she's growing on me. She's like Autumn Blaze, only now she's a griffin. It's nice. I like it a lot. And the songs were also really good, including this one. So, now we have to wait until episode 3. Well, actually, episode 3 is already out as this video is recording, but just give it a few weeks and I'll get to it, okay? No complaining. I need to get everyone their fair share of episode reactions. But yeah, this was great. Ice Gaze, well done. Everyone who worked on it, props to you. So, thank you all for watching. Give Ice Gaze some love and support. Tell her Fast Track sent ya. And all here, oh, she gives us virtual hugs. Right back at ya. And everyone watching, thank you all for watching, and you have yourselves a wonderful day. So, I'll see you next time. I'm Fast Track. I'm the best mamma jamma who ever stood in front of a camera. And I will be back in a flash. Goodbye.